Hello everyone. My name is Cemre and I will be your student TA in this semester in Optics and Waves course. During the semester, I want to prepare some problem solving videos, and the first thing I want to cover is the concept of Snell's law. Here I prepared a conceptual problem, and after this one, I will also solve a numerical problems as well. In this problem, there are three media in here, as you can see, with different refractive indices. And the problem asks us to compare the refractive indices. For this, I will only use the Snell's law. As you can see here, you already know the Snell's law. N1 sine theta 1 equals to N2 sine theta 2. And I can say that in Snell's law, if the angle is greater than the other angle, then the refractive index is lower than the other refractive index. Because if theta is great, then the sine value is great, then the n value is lower. This is for the preservation of this equality. So now by only looking at the angles, the refraction angles, as you can see in here, with respect to the surface normal, I will compare the indices. The first thing I will look at is the interface of medium 1 and medium 2. In here, I can clearly see that actually theta 1 is greater than theta 2, and the ray gets closer to the surface normal compared with the first ray, the incident ray. Then I can say that if the angle is small, then the refractive index is high, then I can say that N2 is greater than N1. The second interface is the medium 2 and medium 3 interface. In here, if you find it difficult to compare, you can just draw the extension of the refracted line. Here, as you can see, theta 3 seems greater than theta 2 by looking at the extension. And I say that theta 3 is greater than theta 2, then N2 is greater than N3, because if the angle is small, the index is high. Now, rather trickiest part is to compare N1 with N3. For that, I prepared these extension lines. Actually, it will be easier to draw these by hand or with pencil, of course. Actually, I don't even need this one. I will compare theta 1 and theta 3. Here I can see that actually theta 1 is greater than theta 3 with respect to the same point. Then I will write it. Theta 1 is greater than theta 3. Then N3 is greater than N1. Summing all these three comparisons, I can say that N2 is the greatest index. Then comes N3, and lastly, N1 comes.